Restoring all the windows for the Sawyer's house. These are what they looked like before, and he's just done these. They look pretty sharp, and those he's working on now will go upstairs. Bob and Wayne are working on the fishway, trying to make it easier for alewives to come through. This is Jim White's garden. This is the original dam spillway. It's really kind of rough and open for small alewives, so the team is going to plank it over and make it smooth.
Want to sign a card for Sherry?
The chestnut tree has a lot of nuts this year, right by the village smithy. We can see a few baby alewives. I'm not sure if they show up. Hey dear Sherry, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I know we're not getting into that.
Eventually you finally made it.
Yeah.
Walk down when we ran the edge or the other.
Little ratchet gear.
Yes, a pusher and a keeper. So Jimmy, what is happening here?
Your battery's still in the thing.
And your air compressor won't stop.
Right,
Seriously?
Charlie?
Well, we accumulated
Filming that
this
camera?
diesel engine last week with hopes that it's going to go and power our rotary sawmill. But in order to do that, it has to be disassembled. All of these hydraulic pumps